let me name something you've probably felt but never said out loud. You spent years chasing a revenue number, and when you finally hit it, instead of relief, you felt a quiet panic. More money, more team, and more momentum, and somehow more stress, not less. If that's you, you're not failing, you're running into the single most predictable pattern in business, and almost nobody names it correctly. Here's why this matters right now. Most owners assume growth is supposed to make the business easier to run. It doesn't. Growth doesn't reduce stress. It amplifies whatever structure you already have in place. And in the AI era, that's happening faster than ever because AI pours speed and complexity onto your business at a rate we've never seen before. So here's the core truth. The problem isn't growth. The problem is that complexity rises faster than structure. When you were small, you were the structure. You held the standards, the relationships, every decision in your head, and it worked. But the thing that built the business becomes the ceiling the business can't grow past. And that is not a discipline problem, it's a design problem. Think about it like this. You hire someone to take work off your plate, and within a month, you're answering more questions than before. Or you land a big client that you've always wanted, and suddenly everything routes back through you. The business didn't get harder, it got bigger. And every gap that was invisible before is now load-bearing. So what do we actually do? 3 things. 1, run an interruption audit. For 1 week, just track every decision that your team brings back to you. That list is a map of exactly where your structure is missing. And then 2, take your top 3 recurring questions and turn each into a 1-page decision rule, a decision you make once instead of forever. 3, fix your single biggest constraint first. Don't add more tools or more people to a business that isn't fully structured. Sequence the structure to the constraint, not the noise. Because here's the thing. The businesses that scale calmly in this next era won't be the ones that worked the hardest. They will be the ones that were designed to grow. So the real question isn't whether your business is growing. It's whether your structure can carry the weight of where you're headed. The businesses that scale in this new era aren't built on effort. They're built on design. And that's the work I do, helping business owners go from overwhelm and chaos to clarity and structure and redesign their businesses for the future. I'm Angie Dobransky, founder of RAD Strategic Partners, creator of the RAD Business Success Method. And this is how we build radical success.